Hello guys, this is Mohammed Arslan and you're watching my channel, and from today we are going to start a new series of JavaScript. In this lecture, in these tutorials, we are going to learn JavaScript from basic to advanced. So let's see what is the first topic of today. The first topic is introduction of JavaScript, and this is going to be a lecture one. So let's start. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is the programming language of HTML and the web. Means for making website we need JavaScript for a little bit programming. JavaScript is easy to learn. This tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. The next thing is learn by examples. Examples are better than thousands words. Examples are often easier to understand than text explanation. Like whatever I am going to explain you, there will be some text, but until you do not perform it by yourself, by your examples, you're not going to understand it clearly. This tutorial supplements all explanation with clarifying examples. Why study JavaScript? JavaScript, one of the three languages all web developers must learn. The HTML for structures, CSS for designing, and JavaScript for the flow and programming of the website. Did you know what I am going to tell now? JavaScript and Java are completely different languages. They both are completely different, not just by name but by the concept and designs as well. JavaScript was invented by Brandon H. in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. ECMA 262 is the official name of the standard. ECMA script is the official name of the language. And in the last, learning is built. In this tutorial, the learning speed is your choice. Everything is up to you. If you are struggling, take a break or review the material. Go back and learn the videos again. Watch the videos again. Always make sure you understand all the examples. So this was the introduction, a brief and very easy introduction for the JavaScripts. So thanks a lot for today. If you have any problem, you can contact me. You can write to me, then I'll get you back. Thank you very much. Have a good day.